Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates of Q3 results of Affil India. Friends, I already mentioned Affil India will be the one of the multi-bagger stock in our peak, and we picked this stock around 1900 and now it is at 4000. Friends, Affil India is one of the India's global technology company with consumer intelligence platform that delivers customer acquisitions, engagements, and transactions through related mobile advertising. And I already mentioned that OTP and all the facilities and digital marketings will give good revenue generation for these Affil India. And friends, today it announced its results, and we are going to see the results and what are the next targets of Affil India in this video. Friends, Affil India sales rises 59.32% to 150 crores, and the net profit of the company rises to 43.08 percent, that's to 30.69 crores. Friends, in this quarter we seen a huge revenue jump and already net profit jump 30 crores from 21.45 crores. So with this we expect the company is going to be rock in near term. And one more thing I am going to say, I feel India's shareholding pattern also looking very impressive. Friends, at 4000, few promoters of this company sold their shares. Affil India Trading Limited, I think. I already mentioned in my NSE BSE bulk deals. Uh, Today we are going to see that is it plus or minus. Friends, on the day I already mentioned Affil Traded India sold their money for their new business acquisitions or anything. And recently 1 2 weeks back Affil India announced they acquired some company, and today its shareholding pattern also shown as it is that promoter holding decreases by 4.5%, and FIIs increased their holdings by 6.48%. Friends, our top picks on IT side, that's Affil India, Route Mobiles, and Happiest Minds, Tanla platforms, which are going to see a huge FIS inflow. Friends, with this I am very happy, and mutual fund holdings are fell by 1.68%. It's not a problem at all, and institutional holdings increased their holding by 4.64%, and institutional holding change by 4.64, that is also very positive. So in this I am expecting the good revenue generation whenever unlock happened, and further from here also so many companies moving from offline to online. And I mentioned earlier why digital marketing will benefit for companies. And going further, the targets of the company present, it locked at 10% upper circuit 4174, and with the increase in its revenue and its operation and its new acquisitions, we are going to see this share will be at 5500. And friends, next one I am going to say is who are the companies, that means FIIs bought this stock. Friends, you see, in mutual funds, we are going to see Aditya Birla Sun Life and L&T Mutual Funds, Nippon Life India Trust, and Ventures Capital Funds, alternate investment funds. And coming to foreign venture capital investors, we are going to see Nomura India Investment Fund, and Kuwait Investment Authority, and Franklin Templeton. These are the huge companies, friends. These are not a small investment fund companies. And next, going to see insurance companies also holding 8000 shares. And next one is foreign corporate bodies also holding 14 lakh shares, and Malabar India Fund Limited 14 lakh shares. Friends, I am expecting that this gonna be rock on Monday, and we can see it at 4500 600 also, and our target for next quarter for this share is 5500 friends. Thank you very much friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Thank you.